Hello everyone, welcome back to EC Core. Today we are gonna start the quantitative aptitude series. In this series, you will get separate videos for each one topic, and we will understand the topic, and then we will solve some examples and we will problems on those topics, and you will get clear idea on aptitude. So this series will help you for GATE and ESC, and for any competitive exams, and also for campus placements. So this is a very useful series here. So let us go into today's topic, that is averages. So when you hear the word averages, we will get that the formula as sum of all observations by total number of observations. So this formula is valid, but there is a condition to this formula. So let us say if I am asking you to find the average of 2, 5, 0, 2, and 3. So if you are doing is 2 0 plus 2 plus 3 by 5, then this will not be the average, this will be by mean. So what will be my average? Then my average will be 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 by 4. Here I am not considering 0 in my while finding my average. So why? Because I am not specifying any information regarding this set of numbers, so I will not consider 0. So the difference between average and mean, we will understand here. The difference between average and mean is, if I am telling you that these are some runs scored by a batsman, or marks obtained by a student, or weight of a newly born children, then my average will be equal to mean. But if I am giving directly the set of numbers and I am asking to find the average, then this will be my average. If I am specifying any information regarding these numbers, then my average will be equal to mean. So that is the difference between average and mean. So coming to what understand the concept of average, you need to understand that average means equal distribution. I mean, if I am having anything, then I need to distribute equally. So this is the exact definition of averages. So let us understand uh, the concept of averages with the help of some examples, and we will also derive some formulas regarding the averages also. So the average and mean I have already explained this one. So now let us take some set of numbers here. Let us say I am having numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So if I am having, so my average will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 5. So here I am, what I am having, if you solve this one, you will get this one 10, 10, 30 by 5, that is equal to 6. So here, when you observe this one carefully, here I am having 5. Total number of observations are 5. And my answer is 6. So here I am having n plus 1. Similarly, if I am, let us take another example. I am taking 2, 4, 6. Then it will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 by 3. Then that will be 12 by 3, that is equal to 4. So here also I am having n plus 1. So when you observe these two series here, the series that I have given here. So these are the first and That's n even numbers. So I am having for first 10 even numbers, my average will be n plus 1. So here we will write average of first n even numbers, that will be equal to n plus 1. Now let us find for odd numbers here. One second. Okay. Now let us take odd numbers. One second. Here I am having, let us take 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then my average will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 by 5. That will be my average 5. So let us solution 4, 5, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 7, that is 25, 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. Similarly, 1, 3, 5. Let us find this one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. So the relation here is n and n. Here my average is n only. So here what we can write, average of first n odd numbers is equal to n. So that is the average of even and odd numbers. Now let us dive into the questions here. Here I am try to solve this one by pausing this video. I will solve this one. So here I am giving a class of 20 students are having an average of 16 years. When the teacher is included in the group, then the average becomes 18. So if I am for 20 students, it is 16 years. If I am adding the teacher, so my strength becomes 21, my average is increasing to 18 years. So if you observe here, if if the age of teacher is 16 years, then the average would have not been increased. So what we can observe is the age of the teacher is greater than 16. So here, what is the difference? Here, uh, 2 is the difference. This is 2 years, we are getting the average difference. So this 2 years will be distributed to these 21 people. So 21 into 2, that is equal to 42 years. So this is the age of teacher. Next one. So here I am having a team of 10 employees with an average of 20 years. If the team leader is excluded from the group, the average of remaining 9 employees decreases by 2 months. So find the age of the team leader. So for 10 employees, it is 20 years. So if the age of the team leader, or if the age of the team leader is 20 years, then my average would not be increased or decreased. So here my average is decreased by 2 months. So if I am these 2 months will be distributed to these 9 members. So it will be 9 into 2, that is 18 months. So my answer will be uh, it is decreased. So the age of team leader is greater than 20 years. So that will be 18 months greater than 20 years. So 18 months is 1.5 years. So the age of the group leader is 21.5 years. So this is the answer for this question. So coming to the next question. In a school with 15 teachers, the average monthly salary is 4,500. So for 15 teachers, it is 4,500. When 3 teachers left the school, the average monthly salary decreased by 500. So, so for 12 students, for 12 teachers, the average has become 4,000. So if the teachers average as the average of three teachers, if the salary of three teachers is 4,500, then then this average would have not been reduced. So here the amount of reduction is 500, right? So find the average monthly salary of three teachers who left the school. We need to find the salary of three teachers that have left the school. So here the difference is 500, right? This 500 is distributed among these 12. So that will be 12 fives are 60 and 6. So 6,000 is the salary of the the three teachers that left the school. So the answer is 6,000. Next, now the average score of class of 40 students is 52. What is the what is the average what is the average score of the rest of the students if the score of 10 is 61? So here what I am having is divide these 40 students into four groups of each group with consisting of 10 members. Let's say A, B, C, D as 10 groups. So this every group is having A plus B plus the average of these 40 students is 52. Say let us say I am taking an average of this D group, that is 61. So one group is consisting average of 61. One second. One group is consisting of 61. 40 students is 52. Then 10 average is group of 10 students average is 61. So here what we can observe is 52 is being reduced. The amount that is that the difference between these is 52 is the difference here is three groups, that is 52 minus 3, then that will be my 49 will be my answer. Now let us find the average weight of school of 40 teachers is 80 kgs. If the principal is included, 40 teachers is 80 kgs. If the weight of the principal is included, the average decreases by 1. So what is the weight of the principal? 40 is 80 kgs. If I am adding, then this comes 41. So my average is decreasing by 1 kg. So this 1 kg will be distributed among these 41 uh, teachers. So this one will be, I need to subtract them in order to find the weight. That will be 41 kgs. So 80 minus 41, that is equal to 39. So 39 is the weight of the principal. Now here we are having the average monthly salary of 20 employees is 1500. If the manager salary is added, the average becomes 1600. So what is the manager salary? So for 20 employees it is 1500. So for 21 employees it is becoming 1600. So this difference of 100 is will be distributed among these 21 people. So what is the answer? 2100. Right, this 2100 you need to add for this one. So that will be my 2100 plus 1500. So that is 3600. So my option B is correct here. Now here, 3 years ago, the average age of family of 5 members is 17 years. A baby having been born, a baby is born in a family, then the average of the family is same today. So the average of the family that let us take, say, the average of 5 members today, then must be equal to 20 years, right? So today's age of these 5 members family is 20 years, but the actual age sorry, but the actual average is 17 years only. So this 17 years is for 6 members, right? So now we need to find the age of the baby. So here what we are having, the amount of, there is difference of 3. This 3 years will be distributed to these 6 children. So that is 6 into 3. That is equal to 18 years. So the age of the baby will be 20 minus 18. That is 2 years. 2 years is the age of the baby. Hope you have understood all the problems. So in next video we will uh, learn about percentages. So that's all for this video of averages. If you are having any doubts or any questions that you are not able to solve, then please post in the comment section. Then I will make another video regarding it. Thank you.